I got an SOS for me, and an SOS for you. Natural military-style breakfast. Buzz Cooks is putting a twist on the old Army classic. Shh, on a shingle, but gourmet. I got an SOS for me. I got an SOS for you.
All right, how about this SOS? So, what I've got here is some fresh shaved prime rib meat. I just got my cleaver out and just gonna cut up a little bit more. So when we put it in the frying pan, we have nice small pieces of ribeye steak. Season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. This is S.O.S. or S-H-I-T on a shingle. This was my dad's favorite breakfast ever since he was in the Army back in, oh God, the 50s. He was in the Korean War, and I remember he used to buy the frozen packages of Stouffer's of this dish. And it was okay, but it used chip beef, which is a very cheap beef. So we're using the shaved ribeye, and this is going to send it over the top with flavor and tenderness. So once we get all the meat cooked up, we're going to set that to the side, and then we're going to work on our gravy. But first we're going to put our toast in. Our toast is going to take about 4 minutes, which is just enough time to make the gravy. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons of butter into our saucepan. Turn the heat up to medium. Get that butter melted. Then 2 tablespoons of flour right into that butter, and we'll get our whisk, and we'll whisk up that flour and butter together. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Cook that flour so you don't have that flour taste. We'll do this for about 1 minute, and then we're going to slowly add some heavy whipping cream or milk or half and half, whatever you have handy. It will work. I'm using half and half, and just add about a 3/4 cup there, and we'll whisk it in just like that. And this is going to start to thicken pretty quick, so we'll have to add a little bit more half and half as we go until we get the consistency that we want. So we'll add a little seasoning to this, a little salt, a little pepper. There we go. A little bit more half and half. Whisk it up. And as soon as we get to that desired thickness or close to it, we're going to take all that meat that we had in the frying pan, put it into a bowl, and then transport it right into the cream. You'll see that happening right about now. Well, we gotta go a little thicker than that, so we'll let it keep cooking once we get the meat in there. There we go. Now we'll mix that in, and our toast is almost done. And this is gonna make enough for probably 4 people, which is 2 pieces of toast and a couple of good ladles of this creamy, meaty delight right over the top. So we'll lay down our toast and we'll ladle up the SOS right over the top, and you are all set. Hey, make this dish for breakfast. Everybody's going to love it. Not very expensive at all, and it is delicious. Remember, I do a new video every Sunday and every Wednesday. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
It's an SOS. It's a shh on a shingle. Flavor so rich, every bite's a jingle. From ribeye to gravy, toast crisp and new. I got an SOS for me. I got an SOS for you. breakfast you can't refuse.